Happy Earth Day from the West Tennessee River Basin Authority. This year's Earth Day theme is to restore our Earth, and here at the Basin Authority, that's something we are working on each and every day. The basin works to preserve the natural flow and function of our watersheds through environmentally sensitive stream maintenance in a 20-county area of West Tennessee. We also provide stream, floodplain, and wetland restoration activities that help reduce flooding impacts, provide wildlife habitat, and reduce pollution like excess sediment and nutrients. Two recent projects completed by the Basin Authority demonstrate how we help to restore our Earth.
The Authority is leading development of Middle Fork Bottoms Recreation Area, an 850-acre project in Madison County. Upon completion in mid-2021, the project will provide recreational opportunities such as hiking, biking, walking, fishing, and non-motorized boating on and around the Middle Fork Forked Deer River system, while restoring waterways and creating more floodplain to reduce flooding impacts on nearby areas. Additionally, the Authority completed a floodplain reconnection project in 2017 to improve stormwater flow capacity out of Huntington and into nearby Beaver Creek in Carroll County. Over the years, this project has proven to be successful in more effectively managing stormwater for the nearby community.
Those are two examples of how the Basin Authority helps to restore our Earth. Well, what can you do? First, find a local stream and watershed and explore it. And while enjoying this natural resource by walking along the water, or canoeing, or kayaking, take time to learn about the plants, animals, and other critters that live there. Second, if you live near a waterway, consider planting native trees and shrubs to hold the soil in place. Soil in excess quantities can serve as a contaminant in our water bodies. Third, let's all do our part to keep our streams clean. The rivers we enjoy all start as a small ditch or a storm drain. We all know about littering and how we shouldn't do it, but some of us don't realize that dumping things like grass clippings and yard waste into our waterways can block drainages and cause problems as well. Water affects us all, and we can each do a little something to make our world better.